Alright, so I got cut off in my last video, and so I wanted to show you some multiplying matrices examples, and that'll be it for this section. So what we're going to do is take the first row times the first column, and we're going to multiply 1 times 7 and 0 times 0. So this is a 3 by 2 matrice, and this is a 2 by 3 matrice, which means that the dimensions of their product should be a 3 by 3 matrice. So if you want, you can go ahead and even kind of like set that up. You can get 3 different slots. Okay, so I'm going to take 1 times 7 and add that to 0 times 0. Okay, so then when I'm looking at my matrice, that's going to be 7 plus 0, which is 7. Then I'm going to take row 1 times column 2 and put that here. So I'm going to do 1 times negative 3 plus 0 times 1. And that's going to give me negative 3. Then I'm going to take row 1 times column 3. So we're going to have 1 times 0, which is 0, plus 0 times 5, which is 0. So we're going to have 0 in this space. And you just keep going through and doing that. So start all over again. Take row 2 times column 1. So that's negative 21 plus 0, so negative 21. Then I take row 2 again times column 2. So it's going to be negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1, so this will be a 10. Okay, hopefully you're getting the hang of this now. Do the last one all over again. So negative 3 times 0, and then 1 times 5. Okay, and do the same thing with the last row. You take this row times this column, and then you take this row times this column. Okay, just kind of go through. Let's have you guys try one on your own. First off, think about what the dimensions will be. So this is a 2 by 2, and this is a 2 by 3. These are matching, so that means I can multiply them. But the dimensions of my new matrice will be a 2 by 3. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set that up. 2 rows with 3 columns. So why don't you go ahead and try to multiply these two things together and play it when you're ready. Okay, so I'm going to take row 1 times column 1. So that's 1 times 1 is negative 1. And then 3 times 0 is 0. So my slot will be negative 1. Row 1 times column 2. So that's 5 plus 12, so 17. And then row 1 again times column 3. It'll be 2 plus 21, so 23. And then we're going to look at row 2 and go through each of the columns. So negative 1, that would be 1, 0, so 1, negative 1 and 5, plus 0. Negative 1 and 2 plus 0. Great, 0, 0 makes it a lot easier. Okay, so that's our product if I multiply these two together. Alright, so hopefully that helps. If you want another example to try to multiply, there's one here, but I'm going to go ahead and get you guys started on your homework, which is the quizzes. So here's the code. You only need to get 18 out of 22 for 100%. If you get less than that, you're certainly welcome to redo it as many times as you want. Make sure you're scrolling down and looking at the problems that you got wrong, and let me know if you need help. Good luck.